measure.
This meeting is being recorded.
Is to measure heavy items.
Say that again.
Kilograms is to measure heavy items.
Yeah, can you tell me what we can use to measure heavy items? What items is measured in the kilograms?
A watermelon.
A watermelon.
A bag full of books.
Oh, say that again.
Bag full of books.
A bag full of books. Okay, good. Once again.
A bag full of milk.
A printer.
Think about the grocery a bit.
A bag full of milk.
A bag full of milk or a box of
Flour.
milk?
A bag full of flour.
A box.
Flour. Very good.
A bag full of iron. A bag.
The big water
iron,
things
very
in the
good.
grocery. The big water bottles in the grocery.
Correct, but we will use volume to measure that one, right? So a dog, if you're measuring the weight of your dog, a bag of potatoes or a stack of potatoes, a watermelon, or a big bag of sugar, rice, or flour. We use these units to measure. So no one is going to use kilograms to measure their vitamins, not so? Would you take a kilogram, your vitamins, and measure it on a scale that measures kilogram?
No.
That'll be crazy, right? How about a pack of chips? What units would we use to measure a snack? Like, let's say, cheese stick. What would we use? What
Milligrams.
units?
Milligrams.
No, not one cheese stick. A pack of cheese stick.
Oh, grams.
Grams. Good. How about, let's say, a cake? What would we use to measure a cake?
Milligrams.
A big cake.
Oh, kilograms.
No, not kilograms. I'm talking about, like, okay, let's say a regular size birthday cake.
Grams.
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 Good. How about a bag of tomatoes?
Grams.
Grams. Good. All right. So we also need to learn how to convert these units. So these are things that you will have to learn by heart. All right. So
1,000 grams is 1 kg.
1,000 equals 1 kg.
Lovely.
150
So 5,000 kilograms equal 5 kgs.
No, hold on.
kilograms.
So 5,000 grams is equal to 5 kg. All right. So let's take a look at these. Who wants to read it for me? Cornelia, you can go ahead.
1,000 equals 1 kg.
No, say 1,000 grams.
1,000 grams equals 1 kg. 750 grams equals
3.
3/4 kg. 50 grams.
This is 500.
500 grams equals 1/2 kg. 250 grams equals a quarter
of a kg.
kg.
Very good. All right. So you all need to learn these things by heart because it's going to come back straight up to standard 5 and even more. All right. So these are things you should start learning now by heart. Because if we think about it, half of 1,000 is how much? Half of 1,000, 500. So
500.
therefore, if 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kg, then 500 will be equal to a half. All right? So let's look at some examples. We are going to write the most appropriate unit to measure these items. So tell me, what am I going to use to measure a cell phone? Grams or kilograms?
Grams.
Grams.
Kilograms.
Kilograms. Your phone is so heavy.
No.
No.
Number 2 is kilograms.
Number 2 is kilograms. Number
Very
3
good.
is grams. Number 4
Hold on.
grams.
You're not rushing it. What is a stove measured in?
Kilograms.
Kilograms.
A pencil.
Grams.
I more feel like maybe milligrams, but we can also measure it in grams if it's a box of pencils, right? But pencil is very light. Copybook.
Grams.
Grams. Chair.
Grams.
Kilograms.
Kilograms. It could also be measured in grams according to the size of the chair. Orange.
Grams.
Grams.
Man.
Grams. Kilograms.
Kilograms. Very good. So you all understand that grams is used to measure very light items and kilograms is used. So when you all think about grams, think about your snack or a bag of tomatoes. And when you think about kilograms, think about a sack of flour. All right? How much of you all can lift a sack of flour? Not much of you all, right? So think about kilograms as heavy. All right? Yourself. So you all are going to tell me the most appropriate unit to use to measure these items. Answers only. All right? So you're heading up the instructions, exercise 1, and you are writing the answer only for me.
Miss, you're writing exercise 1 only or the instruction?
Both exercise 1 and the instructions.
Eh?
Both of them.
Finish, Miss. Where is it?
Make sure and check over.
I don't know. Is that finished?
Make sure and check over.
Check it out.
Very good.
Miss, I'm finished.
So those who are still working, 2 more minutes again.
Finish, Miss.
Can I use the bathroom, please?
So you can use the washroom.
Yes, that's it.
Say that again.
That is.
Darian, say that again.
That's it. I'll just talk to just now.
Listen, I'm hearing what you're saying. It's okay.
Miss.
I'll talk to just now. Okay.
You want to use the toilet, your washroom just now?
I'll check on you.
Okay.
Excuse Miss.
Yeah.
What is the first word?
Suitcase.
Suitcase.
All right. So everyone should be ready now.
Miss, I'm not finished.
I thought you told me. Who said that they were finished?
So slow right now. Miss, I'm not done.
Yes. Okay, so I still want you all to just pay attention and then you all will take down your corrections if you need to. All right? So, suitcase. A suitcase would be measured in
KG.
Grams.
kg. All right, according to the size as well. A wristwatch.
G.
Grams. A bag of carrots. Grams. A water tank.
Kilogram.
Kilograms. Good. A TV remote.
Grams.
A stove.
Kilograms.
kg, kg,
Tire.
kg,
kg,
A tire.
kg,
A plane.
kg,
kilogram,
A baby.
kg,
grams,
Grams
grams.
or kilograms.
Okay.
Yeah. A laptop.
Grams.
Did everyone get that?
Yes, miss.
You understand it? You sure?
10 out of 10.
Very
Yes, I
good.
just finished at number 9.
10 for me.
Okay. Anyone is taking down corrections?
Miss.
No corrections.
All right. Haley, any corrections?
No.
Finish.
All right.
Yes, miss.
Anyone still taking down information?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
All right. Tell me when you are finished.
Miss, information for what?
On the screen. The information that is on the screen, the work that is on the screen,
What?
the work that is on the screen.
Oh, I write it down already.
Very good.
Yes, miss.
Kadeen, you will let me know when you are finished.
Okay, miss.
So let me ask in the meantime, what are the units that we use to measure mass? What are the units that we use to measure mass?
Grams.
Grams, what again?
Kilograms.
Kilograms.
Grams, kilograms, and milligrams. Grams, kilograms, and milligrams.
Lovely. How many grams is equal to 1 kg?
1,000 grams.
1,000. Good. Half of a kg is equal to how many grams?
500
Grams. Very good.
What?
A quarter of a kg is equal to how many grams?
250 grams.
250. Very good. And 3/4 of a kg is equal to how many?
750 grams.
Very good. Lovely.
You understand me? There is it.
All right.
Pick up your mic.
Anyone still working?
No.
Miss on the last one.
Okay. Did you write down the words or did you just write answers? Anyone?
Miss, I'm writing down both of them.
No, you write down the answers only next time for me. All right?
Miss, I finished.
I thought you were telling me that you were finished. You are now finished?
No, miss.
All right.
Miss, I'm done.
All right. Very good. So let's look at exercise 2 now. We are going to measure the mass of the items on the scale. All right? So we are stating the weight of each of the items. So everyone is going to head up exercise 2, number 1. What is the weight of the fish on the scale? So that is what I want you all to write down for me. The weight of the fish. Now the weight is in kg because you all are seeing it on the scale kg.
Miss, so you had to write the sentence, how much kg it's on?
Just write the answer for me. So you're writing answer and
Yes.
kg.
Oh,
Miss, we just write exercise 2, then write the answer.
Yes, exercise 2, number 1, answer kg.
Okay.
finish, miss.
And I need a volunteer for this one.
Me, miss.
Christian,
Yeah.
and then I will take a girl, a boy, a girl, a boy. All right?
Finish, Miss.
Miss, I never get on to the one.
You want to do number 2?
Yeah.
All right. And Haley, you would do the other, you will be the other girl.
I could do number 3, miss.
All right. So number 2, Renita, number 3, Levi, and number 4, Haley. I need a next boy though.
I don't see any other numbers.
Darian, number 5. All right. So Christian, what is the weight of the fish?
5 kg.
Very good, because the pointer is pointing to 5. Did everyone get 5 kg?
Of course.
Yes.
Anyone did not understand why it is 5 kg? All right, lovely. Number 2, Renita. You are going to tell us the answer again. You're writing it. No, not now, not now. Not yet.
Finish, miss.
Finish, Miss.
Very good. Again, if you don't understand something, let me know. All right, good. So, Renita, what's the weight of the carrots?
The weight of the carrot is 2 grams.
Grams. Very good. Anyone did not get that? Okay, very good. Let's move on to number 3, Levi. Now, for number 3, we are writing the answer in kgs and in grams. So let me just bring the scale up for you all to see what the scale looks like. Everyone is able to see there.
No, ma.
No, I'm not.
No, miss.
You all just need to know that the pointer is between 1 and 2.
1,500 kg.
Don't say that. You have to write your answer in kgs and grams.
Excuse, miss.
Yeah.
It don't have the other pointer pointing to the other number.
No, because it's one pointer on a scale. Always one pointer on a scale. You don't need 2 pointers on a scale, right? And the pointer is pointing between 1 and 2. So that means something. Something.
Miss, I know.
Finish, Miss.
Write it in your book if you know.
That was easy.
That was
Miss, I
easy.
don't understand.
You don't understand? We'll
Miss,
see. Right. So everyone is ready now?
miss, I can tell you something.
All right. So let's begin. So let's see
Situations.
what Levi did, and then I would explain it again for you. So Levi, did you get an answer?
I think you're correct. I don't know.
Let me know. What did you get for kgs and grams?
For kgs, I got 15.
15 kgs?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
This
So the
is
scale is,
1,500 kg.
yeah, but you are writing your answer. It's not 1,500 kgs. You are writing your answer in kgs and grams. So the scale has numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone is seeing the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yeah.
Now the pointer is between which 2 numbers?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. What do you all think is coming between 1 and 2?
3.
Three
half
comes
of a
between
half.
a half.
Half.
So this would be 1, and here will be a half. So this is 1.5 kg. So this would be 1 kg. And what is a half of a kg again in grams? So this is 1.5 kg. What is 1 kg what is half of a kg in grams?
500 grams.
500 grams.
Yeah.
So that is where you all saw 1,500. 1,500 means 1,000 is a kg, and 500 is grams. All right? So it's 1 and 1 kg because the pointer is between 1 and 2. The number between 1 and 2 is 1.5. Do you all understand that? If I have a scale and I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the number that comes between here is 1 and 1/2. The number that comes between 0 and 1 is a half, a fraction. 2 and 3, it will be 2.5. Between 3 and 4 is what? 3.5. All right? So you all understand that when we have two whole numbers, between the two whole numbers is a fraction. All right? Anyone taking down corrections?
Nope. Okay.
Nope.
Please let me know if you are taking down corrections.
I get mine correct.
Very good.
I get incorrect. I have corrections.
Let me know when you are finished. Alexi? All right. So let's continue. Cornelia, you are finished or you're still working?
I'm still working.
Tell me when you are finished. Oops.
Finish, miss.
Anyone again still taking down corrections?
Hello, miss.
All right. So here, the next question is yours, and then I need another boy. Which boy would like to volunteer?
Me, miss. Me, miss.
Christian? All right. All right. So let's zoom in a bit. Where is the number pointing to? The pointer is pointing to something. And you are going to give your answer in
In the
grams.
center.
500. Me pointing in the middle.
The middle. Very good. Remember what I told you, what is between 0 and 1?
1 over.
What is between a half? Very good. So a half of a kg, you are going to write it in grams for me. You're writing your answer in grams, right?
Okay.
Answer should be in grams. So between 0 and 1 is a half. Between 1 and 2 is 1.5. Between 2 and 3 is 2.5. And between 3 and 4 is 3.5.
Miss, you can see with 0 and 1 again, please.
Between 0 and 1 is 1/2 of a kg.
Finish, miss.
Very good. So Christian, between 0 and 1 is half of a kg. Do you remember what I told you half of a kg is?
Yes, miss.
In grams. So therefore you're writing your answer for me. Anyone still working?
No, miss.
No, miss.
Haley, did you get an answer?
Yes, miss.
All right. Oops. Good. So between 0 and 1 is how many kgs? Between 0 and 1 is half of a kg. And the question is asking us to write it in grams. Half of a kg is equal to how much?
1,000 kg.
No. What is half of a kg equal to?
Half of a kg. 1 kg.
Yes. Grams.
What is half of a kg equal to?
500 G.
Very good. 500 grams. Right.
Is that correct?
So what is the number? What is the fraction between 0 and 1, Christian?
500 kg. I mean,
Five
G.
is. What is
Got
the,
it,
no, I'm
grams.
asking what is the fraction between 0 and 1?
1/2.
1/2. Good. Renita, what is the fraction between 1 and 2?
1/2.
1 and 2.
2/2.
Between 0 and 1 is what fraction?
1/2.
1/2. Between 1 and 2 is what fraction?
2.5.
No, it cannot be more than 2.
1.5.
1/2. Very good. What is the fraction between 2 and 3? It has to be something between 2 and between 3. It cannot be more than 3 and it cannot be less than 2. 2.5. What is the fraction between 3 and 4?
3.5.
3.5. So do you all understand that? So a half is more than 0. I hope everyone is listening. A half is more than 0, but it is less than 1. 1.5 is more than 1, but less than 2. 2.5 is between 2 and 3. So it is more than 2, but less than 3. And 3.5 is between 3 and 4. It is more than 3, but less than 4. Do you all understand that? If it falls between, it is higher than 3,
Yes,
but
yes.
less than the larger number. All right? So if
Yes,
I ask you all again, what is between 0 and 1? If we look at the scale, between 0 and 1 was a half. That is half of a kg. Half of a kg is equal to 500 grams.
So it's half correct?
Yes, a half kg is equal to 500 grams. So your answer is supposed to be 500 grams. Everyone should have taken down that answer, right? Good. Christian, this is your question. This is number 5. And you are writing your answer in kgs to me.
Finish, miss.
Finish, miss.
Very
Finish,
good.
miss.
Keep on.
Finish, miss.
Anyone still working?
No, miss.
Christian, what's the
No,
answer?
miss. No, miss.
Christian,
2
what?
kg.
2 kg. Everyone should have gotten that because that was easy peasy, right?
Yes, miss. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Very good. All right, so let's look at a balance scale now. A balance scale is a tool that help us to compare the weight of two things. How much of you all ever been on a seesaw before? I'm seeing one hand up.
Miss. Me, miss.
You all never been on a seesaw before?
Me, miss. I have
Anyone?
been
Let me ask the question. Who knows what a seesaw is?
a seesaw is something what two persons does balance on.
Correct. So, anyone does not know what is a seesaw?
Me, miss. I don't know. I definitely don't know.
I know.
All right. So I will show you a picture of a seesaw, and you will let me know if you know
I've
what
seen one, but I not ride on.
seen one but never ride on. Okay. Good. So let's look at a seesaw. Good. So this is a seesaw. Ever seen one of that in the park before?
Yes.
No.
But I
No?
never see it. I see one, but it was rusty.
Good. So what a seesaw is, a seesaw balances things. So the person that is heavier is going to be the person that is down. And the person that has the less weight is going to be the person that is up. All right? Do you all understand that? So the
Yes,
heavier
miss.
person is always the person that is down, weighing down, and the lighter person is going to go up. Okay? So just like this, upscale balance works the same way. A scale balance compares the weight of two things. It compares the weight of what is on this side to what is on the other side. Now, if we look carefully at a scale balance, it has two bowls or two pans on the left and right hand side. Are you all seeing that? Two bowls or pans on each side.
This one is the heavier.
Right. So if both sides have the same weight, if both of them have the same weight, it's going to be level like this. If both of them have different weight, one is going to be down and one is going to be up. If the one that is lower is actually the heavier one, so it's being weighed down, while the one that is lighter is going to stay up. Do you all understand that?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So you're ready for exercise 3 now? We are going to look at which items is heavier, which items is lighter, or which items have the same weight. Again,
Excuse me.
yeah.
This is the last exercise.
No, you have a note to take down after as well. All right?
Oh,
So again, if the scale is balanced, like the first picture, that means that all items have the same weight. If the scale is unbalanced, then one is heavier, the one that is weighed down, and the one that is up is lighter. All right? So for exercise 3, we are going to state,
in a different way.
yeah, but for
excuse
items, all right? It's a scale, like a seesaw. So let me give the instructions and then you all will ask questions, all right? State whether
Excuse me.
let me say the instructions and then you would ask your questions. Do you want to go to the washroom or drink some water?
No, miss,
All
but
right. So let's talk the instructions and then you would ask me a question. State whether each item is lighter, heavier, or the same weight as 1 kg. So the bottle of oil is either lighter, heavier, or the same weight as 1 kg. So you're going to write the answer for me. The answer can either be, let me highlight it, is 3 things that the answer could be: lighter, it can be heavier, or it can be the same weight as. So you are going to head up exercise 3. Number 1, you are writing this full sentence for me, please. Everything that has a star next to it, you are writing it down. And I need a girl to volunteer for this one. A girl that hasn't volunteered. Ariana?
This is
finish, miss.
me who does.
After Ariana will be Kadeem. Which girl would like to volunteer after? I want a girl that did. Christian?
Yes.
Christian?
Yes,
Akira?
miss.
Yeah?
Excuse me.
I'm listening.
So when we done with the note, you had to send it on WhatsApp,
Correct.
and then you could leave.
No. When you have finished with your work, you can send it to WhatsApp. I know some of your parents is not at home, so you can send it in the morning or tonight after class. All right?
Okay, miss.
Good.
Excuse me, miss.
Yeah?
So we have to draw the picture.
No. You are writing everything that has a star next to it for me.
Okay.
So I'm giving you a minute again, and then you will correct.
Yes, I'm finished.
Very good.
Finish.
Miss finish.
Good.
Finish, miss.
All right. Ariana, the bottle of oil is lighter, heavier, or the same weight as 1 kg. Which one is the answer?
Lighter.
Lighter. Very good. Why do we know that it is lighter? Because the heavier item is always going to be the one that is lowest. The lighter object is always going to be the one that is the highest. Anyone had heavier?
No, miss.
Okay. Everyone is ready to move on?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
All
Yes,
right.
miss.
So Kadeem, this is your question. Again, you're going to say heavier, lighter, or same as.
Finish. I'm finished.
Miss, I could do number 3.
You are doing number 2. All right. So remember, again, you are writing down the sentence that I have a star next to.
Finish, miss.
Very good.
Finish, miss.
Very good.
Finish, miss.
Anyone still working?
No, miss. Yes, miss.
Finish, miss.
All right. So Kadeem, can you tell me the stones are lighter, heavier, or the same as 1 kg?
That is same as 1 kg.
Does everyone agree with that?
Yes, miss.
Very good.
Miss,
The
I could do
same
number 3.
weight. Number 3, a girl is already doing number 3 and 4 and 5. I'm giving everyone a chance to volunteer today. Volunteered already, so I'm giving some. No, someone else is already doing number 5.
Yes, we have to do number 3 now.
Number 3, you are writing only the sentence that I have a star by. You are stating if it is heavier, lighter, or the same as.
Amaya said.
Finish, miss.
All right, Akira.
Miss, I finish.
Very good. Akira, the lemons are supposed to be lemons.
Heavier.
Are
Heavier.
very good. Excellent. How much of you all did not get that answer? Who did not get that answer?
I'm still writing.
Still writing. Tell me when you are finished.
Finish, miss.
Make sure and change lemon to lemons, please.
I change it. Love you, miss.
Yeah.
Finish, miss.
Darian, what's going on? Say that again, you're not feeling well? Your toe?
Yes.
Hurting?
Yep.
And who is home with you?
My granny.
You need to tell her.
Why?
All right. Anyone still working? All right. So I'll give someone else this question to do. Which boy did not volunteer?
Miss, I could volunteer.
Sure. So again, you're writing down the sentence that has a star next to it for me.
Finish, Miss.
Excellent.
Miss, I could volunteer for number 5.
Number 5. Someone
Finish,
else
Miss.
is doing number 5. Alex, you wanted to volunteer for this one? Because I didn't hear you today volunteering.
Yes.
Right, Christian? I'm going to give Alexi because she did not volunteer today. Right?
Okay, Miss.
Who is screaming like that? All right. So, Alexi, state whether each item is lighter or heavier or the same as a half of a kg. Are the apples the same or the heavier or lighter?
Then a half a kg.
Say that again?
If the apple is heavier than half a kg.
Very good. And supposed to be the apples are. So change it to the apples are.
Miss, excuse me.
Yeah.
Forgot to say Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday, Miss.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Miss.
Happy
Thank you.
Mother's Day to you.
Happy belated Mother's Day, Miss.
Thank you, Akira, as well, and Cornelia. All right, so let's continue.
Excuse me, I had to go and feed my dog, so I might not be here for a little bit.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Finish, Miss.
Finish, Miss. Yes, I forget to tell you, but I just finished long time.
You're finished on time?
Yeah, but I forget to tell you.
Okay, then, no problem. Make sure I look over your work for me. All right, anyone still working?
Miss.
Not really.
Come on, it's supposed to be the gas, but not the oil.
Done, Miss.
All right, come on, you'll just have one more thing to do after this. All
Miss,
right?
and this last one.
Yeah, one more thing. All right, anyone still working? Let's begin to correct. Kia, I'm saying your name correct, Kia?
Yes, Miss.
All right, what did you get for your answer?
Heavier.
Say that again?
Heavier.
Oh, I'm not seeing the LE. All right. What
Miss,
did
I
you
came
get for your
back.
answer?
Miss, I came back.
All right. So pay attention and let's see if you would have gotten it correct. The gas is
Heavier.
heavier. Very good. Anyone that did not understand that, white is heavier or lighter? Pretty easy, right? So, you all are going to take down this and you're going to learn it for next week for me. All right, by heart.
I already took it out. I
Miss-
already took it
All right.
time ago.
Is that the note?
Yes,
Is that the note?
that's your note. The only thing that to take down is the exclamation mark. So, Cornelia, you took it down already?
Yes.
All right. Make sure that you have the correct thing and let me know. Just look it over
This
to
is-
make
this
sure
is
that
the
everything is
thing, right?
correct. Yes, you are
This is
taking it
correct.
down. Yes, you are taking it down. And
Can I
write
do what
me.
it says?
You can do that if you want to learn.
Yes, I write it down.
All right. Any questions to me or concerns?
No, miss.
All right, then. You can leave.
Okay, miss. Bye. See you on Tuesday.
See you on Thursday.
Goodbye. Have a great time.
Are you finished taking it down?
Yes, miss.
All right, then. Darian, you better now? All right, then. You told someone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Take care.
Miss, I finish. Miss, I have sent work for you.
Yeah, send it for me.
All that we do.
All that you did today.
Okay.
Miss.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Finish, miss. I take it down, miss. See you,
Very
miss. I
good.
take it down.
Send me your work that you did today. And then,
Okay.
any questions?
No.
All right, then. You
I
can
think
leave.
I'm drawing. I'm drawing.
Okay, send it to me.
Okay. Miss, I finish.
All right. Any questions to me, Healy?
Yeah, I want to show you a drawing then.
Let me see.
Excuse me.
Huh?
I want to show you
Question?
a drawing.
The father already sent it on the chat. I mean on WhatsApp.
Okay. I think I saw a photo of him.
Okay.
Any
Bye, miss. See you.
questions? Take care.
See you on Thursday.
I'm sending it.
Okay. Oh, that's the avatar? Avatar?
Yes, miss. I have two to show you. Also. This
Let me
one
see.
is very different than the first one I'll show you. Stop.
Okay. What's that one? Character.
I just dropped purple avatar. I didn't really know I was doing. I just dropped purple one.
Miss, my mom is sending me picture.
Okay. Any questions to me?
No, miss.
Miss,
Yeah.
did you have a good day today?
Yes, I did. And how about you?
I also had a good day.
How was school today?
Excellent.
Very good.
1/2 day.
A half day. That's why it was excellent.
Where's that?
I said you had half day. That's why it was excellent.
Yes.
Oh my.
I don't know.
So what you did when you reached you today?
Where's that?
What you did?
Me and my father had to wait
Oh.
to do something.
Oh, okay. I thought you went home and relaxed.
We waited, then we went to pick up my sister, and then we went home and relax.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I
All
hope you
right.
have a great night.
Same to you as well. Akira, are you finished as yet?
Bye.
Finish.
All right. And Alexi, you are finished as well, right?
Yes, miss.
Bye.
Any questions, ladies?
Bye-bye.
No, miss.
Bye-bye.
All right, then. See you all on Thursday.
Bye, miss.
Bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye.
See you on Thursday.
See you on Thursday.